Hey everybody, you guys voted and tic-tac-toe won with 50%. So I'm making a 3D printed tic-tac-toe keychain, but here's the twist. I'm not painting the X and O's, I'm cutting them with my Cricut Maker 3 in permanent vinyl. First time I've combined both machines in one project. Let's see if it actually turns out clean. And wait till the end because I'm adding the keychain hardware and doing a test to see if it's actually usable. So after this, you tell me what we should print next. If you like 3D printing and Cricut projects, hit subscribe because I'm doing more 2-machine builds this year. The plan, print the board in pink, then add white vinyl X's and O's so it looks crisp and don't wear like paint. Then we add the keychain hardware. If this works, it's going to be one of those small prints that actually look store-bought. Quick question, Team X or Team O's? Comment X or O right now. What color combo should I do next? Pink white, black white, or galaxy? Okay, print is done. The grid lines are clean and the raised area are perfect for vinyl. If you guys want to know my settings to make a good finish on my 3D prints, comment down below and I'll let you guys know the settings that I use to give a good iron finish. If this reveal was satisfying, hit that like button. It tells YouTube to show it to more makers. Now the Cricut part. I'm cutting permanent vinyl X's and O's, clean, simple, and way faster than painting. This is the first time I'm pairing my 3D printer and Cricut together, so if it works, this opens the door for a lot of new projects. For applying vinyl, wipe the surface so it sticks better. Then we place them using transfer tape so everything lines up. Cricut people, would you do matte or glossy vinyl on this? Moment of truth. Vinyl goes on, the contrast is so clean. Now we finish it off with the keychain hardware, so it's actually portable. Normally I go over permanent vinyl with my heat gun just to heat up the glue for the vinyl and make sure it adheres to the surface, but I'm not going to do that with this project because it's plastic and I don't want to melt the 3D print. Let me know down in the comments, should I go over the X's and O's with Mod Podge? Comment, what should I print next? Poké Ball cases, the coasters, a jacket pencil holder, or drop a new idea? I'll do another poll. Also, would you buy these as a keychain? Yes or no?